Today we're going to be focusing on drawing Martin Luther King. Just starting off by drawing his hairline. Adding a little bit of a detail to the ear. Up next, focusing on eyebrows. After getting the eyebrows down, I'm going to start on the actual eye. Beginning the nose. And voila, there you have it, Martin Luther King. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you like drawing with me, I'll be posting more. Peace.
ArtDad.